Hi everyone, greetings from Chicago. My name is Kiley and Mark, and I am the director of retreats and teacher trainings and all things fun for our 105F studios right here in the Windy City. A little bit about me and my yoga journey. I started practicing the 26 and 2 hot yoga series, the Bikram series, back in 2007. I was a super competitive athlete my whole life. I played soccer my whole life, or football to many of you. I ran a bunch of marathons. I had just beaten up on my body pretty good over the years. In 2007, I walked into the yoga studio looking for something that was still gonna make me feel like an athlete, would challenge me, but was gonna be less impactful on my body, on my bones, on my joints. So I found that and so much more through my regular, consistent Bikram yoga practice. Fast forward a couple years, I was just pretty burned out and stressed out and tired in my normal day-to-day job. I was in management consulting for about 8 years. And I wanted to make yoga a bigger part of my life. I wanted to help others with their health, their wellness, their fitness, their peace of mind. I wanted to help others live lighter, happier, healthier lives. In 2011, I went to my Bikram teacher training, got certified to teach. And then in 2012, I decided to leave the grind of the corporate world to dive into the yoga world full time. Fast forward to 2015, I was given the opportunity to get our teacher training program, our retreat program here at 105F underway. And since 2015, I have led 28 retreats in 6 different countries. Of course, every year we return back to dreamy Dalijo. I also bring groups of people to places like Bali and Greece and Costa Rica and Mexico. This world is a beautiful place. We are all busy humans with busy schedules. And so to be able to organize and curate experiences for people that gets them out of their busy day-to-day to a new place to explore and adventure and spend time on their health, their wellness, it's just a pretty special thing to be a part of. I love the retreats for so many different reasons. We connect, we laugh, we have so much fun. Super transformative, powerful experience. I really feel like the yoga retreats are just the best way to vacation. I'll tell you a little bit about our teacher training program too, while I've got you. We have led 10 26 and 2 hot yoga teacher training programs since 2016. Our program is a 4-week intensive immersion. We do it once a year. So our next program is going to be April 5th to May 3rd in Mexico. Of course, we teach our trainees to teach a super therapeutic, informative, precise 26 and 2 hot yoga class. And over the course of those 4 weeks, it's a journey inward. So our trainees learn all about themselves. They go inside, they dig deep. They learn about their limitless self and all that they're capable of achieving, which is just so much. Very grateful to be a part of both those programs here at 105F. I was asked the question why we keep returning back to Dalijo, and I love this question because it brings me back to a feeling that I had when I first stepped foot on Dalijo's property back in 2022. 2022 was when we brought our first group to Dalijo. I had arrived a little bit before my group had arrived, so I had some quiet time to myself just to walk around the property and explore. I'm walking around and the sun is kissing my skin, and I'm grabbing an orange off the orange tree and a kiwi off the kiwi tree and a fig off the fig tree, and I'm eating this fresh, delicious fruit as I am looking at the beautiful hot yoga space that we get to practice in, to my right. And then the pool is over there and the beautiful garden that we're gonna eat delicious, fresh food from later in the evening. And I just thought to myself, I'm like, how does this place exist? This is pure heaven. So we keep going back because it's just too good not to. The staff, all amazing, so friendly, so warm, so welcoming. Every time we go back to Dalijo, we always feel like we're returning home. So thank you so much to the Dalijo crew for creating such a beautiful space for me and my groups to enjoy. Thank you, all of you, for listening. If you're ever in Chicago, come swing by our studios. We have 4 locations here in Chicago. We do hot yoga, we do hot Pilates, we've got vinyasa classes, yin classes. We always have fun special events going on. We would love for you to come and sweat and stretch and feel great with us. All right, thanks guys. Bye-bye.